Airplane mode is one of those settings that can be super useful when traveling, but it can also be frustrating if you accidentally turn it on and suddenly lose all connections. If you've ever found yourself wondering why your calls, messages, or internet aren't working, chances are airplane mode is the culprit. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable airplane mode on your iPhone in just a few seconds, no matter which model you're using. The quickest and easiest way to turn off airplane mode is through the control center. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. If you have an iPhone with a Home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen instead. In Control Center, you'll see an airplane icon. If it's orange, that means airplane mode is enabled. Simply tap the icon, and it will turn gray, indicating that airplane mode is now off. Your phone will immediately start reconnecting to Wi-Fi, cellular networks, and Bluetooth devices. Another way to disable airplane mode is through the Settings app. Unlock your iPhone and open Settings, where you will see airplane mode right at the top of the screen. If the toggle switch is green, it means airplane mode is turned on. Tap the switch once, and it will turn gray, instantly restoring all network connections. This method is useful if you prefer navigating through settings rather than using Control Center. Sometimes turning off airplane mode doesn't immediately restore your connections. If that happens, wait a few seconds for your phone to reconnect to your carrier or Wi-Fi network. If it still doesn't work, try toggling airplane mode back on and off again to reset the connection. In rare cases, you might need to restart your iPhone to fully restore network services. Disabling airplane mode is essential when you want to make calls, send messages, or use mobile data. It's also worth noting that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can still be enabled while airplane mode is on, but cellular services are completely disabled. If you ever need to use Wi-Fi on a flight but keep cellular off, you can manually turn Wi-Fi back on while airplane mode remains active. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly disable airplane mode and get your connections back up and running in no time. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.